Hello everyone and welcome to another video on Python basics. In this video, we'll be going over dictionaries in Python. A dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values, which unlike other data types that hold only a single value as an element, a dictionary holds key value pairs. Key value pairs are provided in the dictionary to make it more optimized. Let us discuss the characteristics of a dictionary. A dictionary is an unordered set of key and value pairs. Its value can contain references to any type of object. You cannot tell the order of position of key and value pairs in a dictionary as there is no index associated. Unlike string, list and tuple, a dictionary is not a sequence because it is an unordered set of elements. Dictionaries are indexed by keys and not numbers. Each of the keys within the dictionary must be unique. Since keys are used to identify values in a dictionary, there cannot be two duplicate keys in a dictionary. However, two keys can have the same value. Dictionaries are mutable, that is, we can change the value of a certain key in place. Internally, key and value pairs are associated with one another with some internal function called the hash function. This way of linking is called mapping. Let us now take a look at how to create a dictionary. We can define a dictionary by enclosing a comma-separated list of key and value pairs in curly braces. A colon separates each key from its associated value. The key and value pairs are separated by a comma. We have created an empty dictionary using the brackets, and when we check the type, we can see in the output that it shows us the dict type, that is, dictionary. Here we have given key and value pairs in the dictionary, and when we print it, it prints the entire content of the dictionary. Dictionaries can also be created using the dict function. We can specify key and value pairs as keyword arguments, specify comma-separated key and value pairs, specify keys separately and corresponding values separately, and we can specify key and value pairs separately in form of a sequence. In this program, we have created an empty dictionary using the dict function and also checked its type. In the output, we can see that an empty dictionary has been created. In this program, we have created 4 dictionaries using the dict function. In the first dictionary, we have specified key and value pairs as keyword arguments. In the second dictionary, we have specified comma-separated key and value pairs. In this method, we need to enclose the values in brackets. In the third dictionary, we have key and values enclosed separately as tuples and given to as an argument to the zip function, which is then given as an argument to the dict function. And in the fourth dictionary, we have specified key and value pairs separately in form of a tuple or as list and given to as an argument to the dict function. Let us now understand how we can access the elements of a dictionary. A value is retrieved from the dictionary by specifying its corresponding key in the square brackets. If you refer to a key that is not in the dictionary, Python raises an exception. While giving key inside a square brackets give you access to only the value corresponding to the mentioned key, mentioning just the dictionary name without any square brackets displays the entire contents of the dictionary. We have several built-in functions to access elements of a dictionary. The get function returns corresponding value if the key exists. It returns an error if default argument is missing, otherwise it returns the default argument. Items function returns a sequence of key and value pairs. The key function returns a list sequence of keys, and the value function returns a list sequence of values. In this program, we have accessed the corresponding values of the specified key. As we can see in the output, the value for the name, that is A, has been printed. We have also printed the entire dictionary by mentioning just the dictionary name without any square bracket. In this program, we have accessed the values using the get, item, keys and values functions. In the first print statement, we have accessed the value for the specified key, that is age. As you can see in the output, we have printed the value, that is 20, for the key age. We have also printed the dict items, dict keys and dict values. To modify or to update an entry in the dictionary, we can just assign a new value to an existing key. We can also add new elements, that is key and value pairs, to the dictionary using assignment. but the key being added should not exist in the dictionary and must be unique. We can modify our dictionary in the following ways: by changing value for a key using assignment, by adding a single key and value pair, and by adding multiple key and value pairs. In this program, we have modified the value for the key name by assigning a different value to it. We can see in the output that the corresponding value to the key is now student1. In this program, we have added a single key and value pair to the dictionary. We can see in the output that key named class has been added with the value 10. Elements can be added to the dictionary by using the built-in append function. The only one element at a time can be added to the dictionary by using the append method. For addition of multiple elements with the append method, loops are used. To append an element, we have to use the dictionary name followed by square brackets with the key name and assign a value to it. As we can see in the output, a value for the key name has been appended in the dictionary. Update method merges key and value pairs from the new dictionary into the original dictionary by adding or replacing as needed. Using the update method, we can update a single key and value pair and update multiple key and value pairs. In this program, we have used the update method to update the values of the dictionary. As we can see in the output, values of dictionary A have been replaced by the values of dictionary B. In this program, we have created a dictionary A with number of students, classes and teachers. First, we have updated a single key and value pair using the update method and added a key named HOD with corresponding value. Similarly, we have updated multiple key and value pairs using the update method. We have added keys named principal and vice principal with their corresponding values. We can see in the first line of output that only a single key and value pair has been added to the dictionary, while in the second line of output, multiple key and value pairs have been added to the dictionary. Traversing a dictionary just means accessing and processing each element in the dictionary. There are multiple ways to iterate over a dictionary in Python. We can iterate through all the keys, through all the values, and through all the key and value pairs. In this program, we have traversed through the dictionary using the loops. Using the first for loop, we have printed only the keys, and using the second for loop, we have printed both the keys and their corresponding values. We have several methods to remove or delete elements from a dictionary in Python. The pop method removes an element from the dictionary. It removes the element which is associated to the specified key. If the specified key is present in the dictionary, it removes and returns its value. If the specified key is not present, it will throw an error. In this program, we have used the pop method to remove the element which is associated with the key name. In the output, we have printed the item we have popped and the final dictionary. The pop item method removes the last item that was inserted into the dictionary. The removed item is return value of the pop item method, which is stored as a tuple. In this program, we have used the pop item method to remove the item which we have last inserted into the dictionary. The variable h stores the value of the item that will be removed. In the output, we can see the item we have removed using the pop item method and the final dictionary. The clear method removes all the items from the dictionary and the dictionary becomes empty post this method. Here we have used the clear method. In the output, we can see that all the items from the dictionary have been removed and we have an empty dictionary. The del statement removes the entire dictionary as an object. After using the del statement with the dictionary name, the dictionary object no more exists. In this program, we have deleted a key from the dictionary. In the output, the dictionary shows only one key. When we delete a dictionary and try to print it, we can see that we receive an error. This is because the dictionary object doesn't exist anymore.